Good morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Monday, March 25th, and also Waffle Day. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Henry.
And I'm Law, and here are your morning announcements.
This month we will be celebrating Mindful March. For today, mentally scan down your body and notice what it is feeling.
Tomorrow is DigiFam, which means we will go to device free all day. Check out this video to learn more.
What is DigiFam? We asked people at ISHMIC what they thought DigiFam was.
I'm not sure. I don't know.
I don't know. I have no idea.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I don't know.
I didn't know why.
Some knew and some didn't.
No idea.
Like a day that you don't use any digital device.
It's where you're not allowed to use any technology for the whole day. You can't use any technology for 1 day.
DigiFam is a day that you don't use digital tools for a whole day.
DigiFam is it's like a challenge that you're not allowed to use digital tools for 24 hours.
Technology and digital devices help us in our everyday lives. They help us learn, they help us communicate, and they also make things easier for us. But we don't always need technology. At ISHMIC on March 26th, we will be going device-free for the whole day. This means no computers, iPads, or phones. You'll learn to appreciate your devices more, and you'll experience what life was like just only 20 years ago. Are you up for the challenge?
Last Wednesday, we had an awesome sports day. Thanks for the PE team for organizing. Check out the TVs around the school for the recap videos or ask your teachers to show them in class.
This week there will be a book fair happening in the canteen area.
Primary talent show is coming up soon. Auditions begin next week from April 1st to 5th. Sign up outside the primary office, room 323.
Makerspace is open to grades 1, 2, and 3 students today during morning recess.
Joke of the day. Why did the banana go to the hospital?
Why?
Because it wasn't peeling well.
Random fact of the day. The most popular password on the internet is password.
Mindfulness quote of the day. Never let a problem be solved become more important than a person to be loved.
That's it for today's morning announcement. Have a magnificent Monday!